After my video about bridal lehenga as per your body shape, you all sent me so many requests for this one, asking about what all are the other things to be kept in mind while choosing your perfect bridal lehenga. Hi, welcome back to our series on fashion and styling. I'm gonna talk about the most basic 6 points that you need to keep in mind while choosing your bridal lehenga. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel or are not following me on social media yet, then please do so now. I upload really amazing and free content here on fashion and styling regularly. First of all, you need to know your body shape. If you don't, then there is a video about it on my channel. You must watch that one too after this video. Then you need to know which style and cut of lehenga will work the best for your body shape. I'm gonna briefly tell you about it here. If you have an hourglass body, then you can wear any cut, any shape of lehenga, whichever you like. But if you are a plus size or have an apple-shaped body, then go for a narrow fitted lehenga with a lot of cullies and panels. This will fit snug around your waist and belly, and having a lot of cullies will give you some length as well. And if you have an inverted triangle shaped body, which means your shoulders and your upper body is broader than your lower body, then jacket styles with layering would work very well for you. In case of rectangular body, you need to add volume in the blouse as well as the lehenga. To know more in detail about body shapes for lehenga selection, you can check out my video Bridal Lehenga as per your body shape on my channel. Then next factor that's usually given a lot of importance is your skin tone or complexion. You should know what's your skin tone, whether you are fair or whitish or if you are dusky. The selection of your lehenga's color depends on your skin tone. The color of your outfit plays a major role in how you are gonna look on your wedding day. Some colors balance out your skin tone or enhance it even more, or might completely make your skin look dull and even overshadow. So this color selection has to be done very carefully. If you have a fair complexion, then you can try any bright colors like red, pink, firozi or emerald green. But avoid deep tones of brown and orange. They won't look as good. Whereas if you have a whitish complexion, then lighter shades like peach, pink, nude shades. But avoid paled out shades and milky shades. These can make your face look washed out. Now, if we talk about dusky complexion, then medium red or golden tone and deep orange tone lehenga would look gorgeous on you. And avoid neon colors. These would create a sharp contrast. Then third factor is whether it's a day wedding or in the night. Color selection depends on this too. If it's a day wedding, then prefer light colors. You can select any pastel color or go for nude shades. And if it's a night wedding, then choose darker colors or those colors which look good under artificial lighting, which means when the bright lights of the cameras are turned on or the additional focus lights on the stage. Lighting plays an important role because sometimes the outfit looks altogether of a different color under artificial lighting. So do take care of this too. Our next very important factor is color combination. This is actually one of the main aspects that decides how good your lehenga is gonna look. If you wanna play safe, then keep everything, the lehenga, choli and the dupatta, all in same color. Sometimes the lehenga and the choli are of one color and the dupatta, or if you're carrying two dupattas, then one of them can be a different color. If you want, you can have both the dupattas in the same color also. There are no such rules that the second dupatta has to be of a different color only. And sometimes the lehenga itself is very colorful. Like it has 3-4 colors, and then you can pick a color out of that for the choli and the dupatta. It depends which color you want to make prominent and dominant. Basically, color theory is a vast topic in itself. I will definitely make another detailed video on that. If you want to see any other videos related to bridal wear, then do let me know in the comments below. I will try to cover those topics in my upcoming videos. Let's get back to bridal lehenga. Next factor is fabric selection. Usually bridal lehenga is fully covered in embroidery and the fabric beneath is hardly visible, but still it plays an important role. Now what fabric you would choose for your lehenga depends on a lot of things, like how much flare do you want. If you want a huge flare and a stiff flounce, then you can go in for stiffer fabrics like silk or raw silk. Whereas if you want a flowy one and a slimmer look, then georgette or crepe would be better. Weather also matters while selecting the fabric. Velvet lehenga works very well for winter weddings, but would be absolutely a wrong choice for a summer wedding. Lastly, what's your budget? Although this is a major aspect, but when it comes to a bridal lehenga, then budget takes a backseat in comparison to your dreams and aspirations. Whenever you go to pick your bridal lehenga, then decide your budget beforehand. When both of you and the vendor will have an idea about the range, then selection process would become much easier. Else, if you keep looking at everything, you would rather be more confused about pricing only, rather than focusing on the design element. I am sure this video is gonna be of great help to you, and if you want a detailed video on any of these aspects, then do let me know in the comments below. I love making videos on the topics recommended by you all. Thank you so much for watching.